Have you ever wondered how to do the easiest messy bun? Well, I have it for you today. It's Audrey. I also wanted to share some hairstyles that you can do on your own. All the hairstyles I do on my daughter, I wanted to let you know that you can do them on yourself and also on other people, but I wanted to show some really easy, practical, doable styles too for you. Here is my favorite how to do the messiest bun. I have 5 kids. I need sometimes styles quick and easy, and this is one of my faves, so check it out. All right, how to do the easiest messy bun. I love messy bun hairstyles because they're just good for anything, but this is why I love this one. I have dirty hair. You don't have to even make sure you have a perfect part for this one. I kind of just did it with my fingers and didn't even use a brush. So you're gonna take your hair, part it down the middle as best as you possibly can, and literally divide your hair in half. So I have one section here, one section here. That's all you gotta worry about at the beginning. And then you're gonna take one section and you're literally gonna put it up as if you're doing a pigtail. Now, just so you know, I started doing this channel with my daughter. We do a bunch of them on TikTok and Instagram. I am not a hair professional. I'm just a mom who loves to do hair and a woman that loves to do hairstyles. So I don't know the proper terminology, but I just say it as I think it sounds and as I think it's supposed to be. So take that for what it is. So I'm gonna make, as if I'm making a big pigtail, I'm gonna take an elastic band and I'm not gonna loop it all the way through. So watch this. This is what I'm saying. I don't know what this is called, but I'm gonna loop it over and I'm gonna make this cute little loop on top. So I'm gonna have one loop here, boom. And then I'm gonna take my other elastic, I'm gonna do the same on the other side, all right? So, and again, this is the beauty of a messy bun. It doesn't matter if, again, everything's completely smooth on top or not. The only thing you wanna do is try to get these two buns on top as close as can be. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this really quick. I have so much hair. And that's another thing. You can do this on thick hair, thin hair, medium length hair, long hair, you know, whatever you got. So look at this. I mean, I would not wear this hairstyle out, but so you want to have your 2 loops, you can just move this hair to the side. And now this is the beauty of the messy bun. You're going to pick whatever side you want. I'm going to go with the left side. I'm getting an elastic band ready. I'm going to put my thumb through the loop just like this. All right. This is a super quick hairstyle as you get used to it. Then I'm just gonna pull them through. So I'm just gonna pull this one through just like this. And it really creates this cute little top knot messiness. Now, yeah, you can keep it like this. It's so tight they stay in, but I reinforce with an elastic always. And then I take all this hair here and I make sure it's tucked into one of the elastic bands as well. And then I go through and I just pull it just to make it a little bit of a messier look. Okay, also you want to hide the elastics. I chose really darker color ones. The great thing is when you can get an elastic band that matches the color of your actual hair, or clear ones are fun too. All right, and then there you go, messy bun. And I'm going to tell you what I love about this messy bun is it stays put. Okay, a lot of the times you do a messy bun because you just toss and go and you feel like it's a little bit loose. This one is perfection. It stays put. And you can mess around, you can add a bow, add an accessory, but super, super easy how to do the easiest messy bun. I love this one. Try it out and let me know what you think. Make sure you follow us on social. All the links are below in the description. We do hairstyles literally every day. I just like them to be practical and easy. That's what it comes down to for me. So enjoy.